Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Just a quick catch up what's happening in the greenhouse. Still got my tomatoes and chilies there in the window. Next to them we have 3 Veronicas mixed, which are growing really well. See them there. Next to that we have our Primulas, which are growing great guns now, those. Then we have my Dahlia plugs from last year. These are apricot shades, which are going to look awesome. And this is a little self-seeded petunia, which smells, wow, it makes all the greenhouse, just these few flowers, makes all the greenhouse smell divine. Next to that we have some leftover delphiniums. If we come up here we have, to the right here, some beautiful violas with a couple of verbena at the back, but the rest of these are delphiniums and they're all looking really healthy now, so hopefully I'll get some nice flowers off those this year. Next to those we have my carnations. Got 2 trays of these, well nearly 2 full trays. These have all been pruned back a couple of weeks ago, all starting to thicken up, and these are the ones I haven't. Just a little experiment just to see which one flowers the best, but a funny feeling it's going to be the ones on the right here. And as we come round we have 5 pelargoniums, all different colours, so I'm sort of looking forward to those flowering. They're going to look great. And behind those we have some genums, and I think they're called, nope, that's not that. Genums, I've forgotten the name of them now, but I'll soon remember. And then some more delphiniums at the back there, looking really nice. Some lobelia here, which will be getting ready for potting on soon. And then we have a full tray of verbena that have already been pinched out. They're thickening up nicely. They're going to look absolutely divine. Oh, let's have a look downstairs, shall we? Put the lights on for you just now, but these have been switched off for the last 2 days. I'm going to be flicking these out of here. Just trying to save some money on the electric bill. Now the day's long enough. So we have some zinnias that have escaped the mouse attack. Some gadicias next to those. And behind we have 4 or 5 dahlias, which are all looking nice. I think they're cactus variety. And then these are my plug cosmic blue petunias from Thompson & Morgan. 3 different varieties I think that's there. Then we have some perennial geraniums. The flowers on them are looking epic. And then at the front there some bee balm, which needs potting on now. And then let's have a quick spin round. Have a look at my trays here. We have gypsophilia on the right there. The petunias and echinaceas, I let them dry out and they've died off, unfortunately. That's my fault. But at the front we have some more polyanthus, looking great. And then at the back here, some sweet peas. A dahlia called Jamaica, just in front of that. And then my pensimons. I love pensimons, you get epic flowers off those. And then here 2 dahlias, Black Beauty they're called, baby, you're from seed. And then them arboretums have just about had it, haven't they? So they need taking out. But then we have 7 tomato plants, 9 tomato plants, sorry, if I can count, here. So we're giving them a feed today. And that's about it. I have my show dahlias, begonias that need starting off in there. Yeah, got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask me a monkey. If you like my videos, please subscribe and like, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.